Guys, what a wild ride. Slugme 10.
We're going to show a little bit of Solidworks and a little bit of X design.
We're going to texture just calves today. Calf day. And I'd literally wake up out of the bed and be like, it's calf day. Yeah. And I'm in the garage in my boxers, like just, you know, like putting calf textures.
Yeah, that's a great image right there.
Pretty much what happened. You can see the engineering and the hard work, but then you can also see how simple it is.
We're here. We built a dinosaur.
Yes.
You're the 3D printing expert.
Some would say.
We're gonna 3D print it, right? So this is like made for 3D printing already.
Techniques, different printing technologies, and resin costs.
When Frank showed up at the lab, he was still floating in the air. And so for the last week or so, we had to go and build the landscape underneath him.
We're able to add dry brushing, airbrushing to reveal this layer of sophistication that from a distance, it looks like a prehistoric pine cone trunk / fern body. There is a technique we really wanted to learn, and that is manipulating the uncured resin.
This was actually my Halloween costume. Smash it, punch it, push it around, like with some urgency. You know what I'm saying? Just don't let it hit the floor.
And I just push it down. And that's just gonna adhere to the SLA print. We would come in and just kind of give some highlights of just shooting down the surface a little bit.
All right, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with us. This has been Slugme 10, and we'll see you later.
Thank you.
Woo!